The future of profit. Best affiliate marketing strategies for 2024. In an ever-evolving digital landscape, affiliate marketing remains a cornerstone of online business success. As we look towards 2024, the strategies that once dominated are giving way to new, innovative approaches tailored to an increasingly sophisticated online audience. Here, we unveil the top strategies poised to redefine affiliate marketing success in the coming year. Embrace niche markets. The power of niche markets has never been more pronounced. In 2024, targeting these specific segments not only enhances engagement but also significantly boosts conversion rates. From eco-friendly products to remote work tools, identifying and tapping into emerging niches can set you apart in a crowded affiliate landscape. Utilize data-driven decisions. Data is the compass that guides every successful affiliate marketing campaign. Leveraging analytics tools to understand consumer behavior and preferences enables marketers to craft personalized, impactful campaigns. In 2024, making data-driven decisions is not just an advantage, it's a necessity. Optimize for voice search and mobile. With the rise of smart devices, voice search optimization and mobile-friendly content are critical. Tailoring your content to be easily discoverable through voice queries and enjoyable on mobile screens can vastly extend your reach and effectiveness in affiliate marketing. Engage with video content. Video content's dominance continues to grow, offering a dynamic way to showcase affiliate products. Engaging product reviews, tutorials, and live streams can captivate audiences and drive conversions, making video an indispensable tool in your affiliate arsenal. Leverage social media platforms. Social media is a fertile ground for affiliate marketers, with platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest leading the charge. Creating platform-specific content that resonates with each unique audience can amplify your affiliate messages and foster community around your chosen products or services. Prioritize transparency and authenticity. Trust is the cornerstone of any successful affiliate relationship. Being transparent about affiliate partnerships and promoting products you genuinely believe in builds credibility and trust with your audience. Key factors that influence purchasing decisions. Explore innovative affiliate programs. The affiliate program landscape is rich and varied, offering opportunities across a multitude of niches. Seeking out programs that align with your audience's interests and offer competitive commissions can significantly impact your affiliate success. Invest in continuous learning. The digital world is in constant flux, making continuous learning essential for staying ahead. Engaging with the latest trends, tools, and technologies through courses, webinars, and industry blogs ensures you remain at the forefront of affiliate marketing innovations. Employ SEO best practices. SEO remains a powerful tool for driving organic traffic to your affiliate content. Employing best practices, including keyword optimization and creating quality content, ensures your affiliate efforts are visible to those who are actively seeking them. Focus on customer experience. A positive customer journey is crucial for conversion. From the initial discovery phase to post-purchase support, ensuring a seamless, enjoyable experience can foster loyalty and encourage repeat business, amplifying your affiliate marketing success. Conclusion. As we venture into 2024, the affiliate marketing landscape is ripe with opportunities for those willing to adapt and innovate. By embracing these strategies, you can not only stay competitive but also thrive in the dynamic world of affiliate marketing. The future of profit in the digital realm is bright, and with the right approach, your affiliate endeavors can flourish. Call to action: see link in the description.